StudyGeeta.com presents
सर्वकर्माणि मनसा सन्न्यस्यास्ते सुखं वशी नवद्वारे पुरे देहि नैव कुर्वन्न कारयन्. When the embodied living being controls his nature and mentally renounces all actions, he resides happily in the city of 9 gates, the material body, neither working nor causing work to be done. न कर्तृत्वं न कर्माणि लोकस्य सृजति प्रभुः न कर्मफलसंयोगं स्वभावस्तु प्रवर्तते. The embodied spirit, master of the city of his body, does not create activities, nor does he induce people to act, nor does he create the fruits of action. All this is enacted by the modes of material nature. नादत्ते कस्यचित् पापं न चैव सुकृतं विभुः अज्ञानेनावृतं ज्ञानं तेन मुह्यन्ति जन्तवः. Nor does the Supreme Lord assume anyone's sinful or pious activities. Embodied beings, however, are bewildered because of the ignorance which covers their real knowledge. ज्ञानेन तु तद्अज्ञानं येषां नाशितमात्मनः तेषामादित्यवज्ज्ञानं प्रकाशयति तत्परम्. When, however, one is enlightened with the knowledge by which nescience is destroyed, then his knowledge reveals everything, as the sun lights up everything in the daytime. तद्बुद्धयस्तद् आत्मानः तन्निष्ठास्तत्परायणाः गच्छन्त्य पुनरावृत्तिं ज्ञाननिर्धूतकल्मषाः. When one's intelligence, mind, faith and refuge are all fixed in the Supreme, then one becomes fully cleansed of misgivings through complete knowledge and thus proceeds straight on the path of liberation. Vidya vinaya sampanne brahmane gavihastini shuni chaiva shvapake cha pandita samadarshinaha. The humble sages, by virtue of true knowledge, see with equal vision a learned and a gentle Brahmana, a cow, an elephant, a dog, and a dog-eater. Ihaiva tairjita sargo yesham samye sthitam manaha nirdosham hi samam brahma tasmat brahmani te sthitaha. Those whose minds are established in sameness and equanimity have already conquered the conditions of birth and death. They are flawless like Brahman, and thus they are already situated in Brahman. Na prahrishyet priyam prapya nodvichet prapya cha priyam sthira buddhir asammudho Brahma vid brahmani sthitaha. A person who neither rejoices upon achieving something pleasant nor laments upon obtaining something unpleasant, who is self-intelligent, who is unbewildered, and who knows the signs of God, is already situated in transcendence. Bahya sparsheshva saktatma विन्दत्यात्मनि यत् सुखं स ब्रह्मयोग युक्तात्मा सुखं अक्षयमश्नुते. Such a liberated person is not attracted to material sense pleasure but is always in trance, enjoying the pleasure within. In this way, the self-realized person enjoys unlimited happiness, for he concentrates on the Supreme. ये हि संस्पर्शजा भोगा दुःखयोनय एव ते आद्यन्तवन्तः कौन्तेय न ते शूरमते बुधः. An intelligent person does not take part in the sources of misery, which are due to contact with the material senses. O son of Kunti, such pleasures have a beginning and an end, and so the wise man does not delight in them. Shaknoti haiva yas sodhum praksharira vimokshanat kama krodhodbhavam vegam sayuktas sa sukhi naraha. Before giving up this present body, if one is able to tolerate the urges of the material senses and check the force of desire and anger, he is well situated and is happy in this world. Yontas sukhontarāramah tathantarjyotireva yah sa yogi brahma nirvāṇam brahma bhūtodhigacchati. One whose happiness is within, who is active and rejoices within, and whose aim is inward, is actually the perfect mystique. He is liberated in the Supreme and ultimately he attains the Supreme. Labhante brahma nirvāṇam rishaya kshīna kalmashaha छिन्नद्वैधायतात्मानः sarvabhutahite rataha. Those who are beyond the dualities that arise from doubts, whose minds are engaged within, who are always busy working for the welfare of all living beings, and who are free from all sins, achieve liberation in the Supreme. Kama krodha vimuktanam yatinam yatachetasam abhito brahma nirvāṇam vartate viditatmanam. Those who are free from anger and all material desires, who are self-realized, self-disciplined and constantly endeavoring for perfection, are assured of liberation in the Supreme in the very near future. Sparshan kritva bahirbahyamsh chakshushchaivantare bhruvoh pranapanau samau kritva nasabhyantaracharinav yatendriyamano buddhihi munirmokshaparayanah vigatechha bhayakrodho yassada mukta eva saha. Shutting out all external sense objects, keeping the eyes and vision concentrated between the two eyebrows, suspending the inward and outward breaths within the nostrils, and thus controlling the mind, senses and intelligence, the transcendentalist aiming at liberation becomes free from desire, fear and anger. One who is always in this state is certainly liberated. Bhoktaram yajna tapasam sarvaloka maheshwaram suhridam sarva bhutanam gnatva mam shantim richhati. A person in full consciousness of me, knowing me to be the ultimate beneficiary of all sacrifices and austerities, the Supreme Lord of all planets and demigods, and the benefactor and well-wisher of all living entities, attains peace from the pangs of material miseries. Iti Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishadsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Sannyasa Yogo Nama Panchamodhyayaha.